The all-purpose flour recipe is here. Today I'm going to show you how to make all-purpose flour at home with just 2 ingredients that is up to standard if you find it difficult to get it. So let's go right ahead and get started. To make all-purpose flour at home, first you will need a scale that weighs grams. A scale that weighs grams is either kitchen scale or a big scale like this, as long as it weighs grams. So after you get your scale, the next ingredient that you will need is bread flour, also known as hard flour in other countries. You also need cake wheat flour, also known as soft flour in other countries. So let's go right ahead and start our measuring. Next, I'm going to turn on the scale to 0 and place the cup on it. Now it's going to show the weight of this cup. So I'll press star and cancel the weight of this cup and place on it again. So at this point, I'm going to measure my flour, and to get 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you will need 70 grams of bread flour. So I'm measuring my 70 grams, and now you can see I have 70 grams of bread flour. So I will take it out and place in another cup and measure 60 grams of also known as soft flour. So I'm measuring 60 grams, and once I get the 60 grams, I'm going to add it to the remaining one that I already measured. Now I'll mix everything together to be well combined. Once it's well combined, it means I've gotten 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm pouring it inside the cup for you to see. This is how it looks. You can see that I'll get exactly 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So for you to be sure, I will place another cup on it and transfer the flour into it for you to know that it is true. You can make all-purpose flour. So to get 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you will need 70 grams of bread flour and 60 grams of cake wheat flour. And you can see that after measuring it, you can see with this amount, it will give me 130 grams of all-purpose flour. So I'll move on and make another measurement, and this time around, I need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to measure 210 grams bread flour, that is 70 grams times 3. So after measuring, you will see that I'll get 210 grams. This is how it looks. Just look at that. So I'm going to pour it inside another cup and measure 180 grams of soft flour, that is cake wheat flour, which means I'm multiplying 60 grams by 3. That is 180 grams. That means if you need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, you multiply 70 grams of bread flour times 3, that is 210, and measure. And 60 grams of cake wheat flour by 3, that is 180 grams. So after measuring it, I'm going to add it to the bread flour, mix everything together, and it means my 3 cups of all-purpose flour is ready. Then I'll move on to measure 5 cups of all-purpose flour, which I will need 70 grams of bread flour times 5, which is 350 grams of bread flour I'm going to measure. I will measure and pour in a cup, and also measure 60 grams of soft flour by 5, which is 300 grams of soft flour or cake wheat flour. I will measure it and add it into the bread flour and mix everything together well. Once I'm done mixing, that means I have my 5 cups of all-purpose flour. So if you want 10 cups of all-purpose flour, you measure 70 grams of bread flour by 10 and 60 grams of soft flour by 10. Then you get your 10 cups of all-purpose flour. So after measuring everything, here we go. My all-purpose flour is ready to use for any baking that I want in the house. Thank you for watching. I believe you like this recipe. If you like it, follow, like, and share for others to benefit as well. And also follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel on YouTube. See you in my next video. Bye.